He's a ginger.
Poopy, see a ghost? See a ghost, honey?
Next he picked the never even. And oh my god. Hey guys, it's lilykatefreddy. Today I'll be doing the My Cat Picks My Makeup challenge. This was suggested to me by one of my viewers, Alexa Sikelka. I will put her Instagram up here so you can go follow her and check her out. She's pretty cool. She's a nice gal and she might be single. So the way this worked is I filmed my cat Cooper picking out makes for me. But the thing is that kind of throws a wrench in my challenge is my cat's not nice. Like everybody else who's doing this challenge, their cats are really nice. Mine is not. Now you need to understand the way we got Cooper is my brother got him from a shelter, couldn't have him at his college apartment, so we got him as a family cat. Well, at first he seemed like this really nice, caring cat, super sweet. Oh my god, I can hear him playing in the background. But yeah, he seemed super awesome, great, whatever. And he has issues. And you know, that's okay. Like, I understand a lot of times shelter cats, we don't know what happened to them. We don't know what his story is. We'll never truly know. But he's mean. We're nice to him. You can't look at him. You can't sit by him. You can't talk to him. You can't say his name or else he gets really mad at you. So this challenge was not his happiest thing he's ever done in his life. But yeah, I thought it would be a challenge. I thought it would be super fun because he's hilarious and adorable, and I wanted you all to see him firsthand so you can maybe understand what I mean by he's not very nice. Now, maybe give him a little bit of catnip so he face off. But yeah, otherwise we'll just get into the video.
Poopy, see a ghost? See a ghost, honey? That's weird. Hey, Gooby, come here. I love you. I love you. Come here. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. You can't bite me. We're gonna film. Okay, I've laid them out. Bubsy, you gotta pick one. No. You can't just lay down. This isn't gonna end well, is it? Come here. You have to pick one. Look at his tail going. He's pissed. Come on, Bubs. You gotta pick one. I'm not mad at you. I just want you to pick makeup for mommy. Okay, I'm gonna lay them out in front of you. We got the Nivea Post-Shave Balm, Garnier Skin Active Moisture Balance, Professional, Wet n Wild Primer, or the Baby Skin. Which one do you like, baby? Pick one. Which one do you like, honey? Oh, he's smelling it. Which one do you like, baby? Oh, we got one. Yay. Really? Oh. Baby, pick one. Hey, Goob. Can you pick a concealer? Got Kat Von D, Maybelline Fit Me, Tarte Shape Tape, CoverGirl Better Skin. No! An LA Girl Pro Conceal. Could be like any of those. Oh. You got her rolled away. Which one does Coop like? Huh? Next we have some bronzers. What do you think, Bubby? This one's like a hockey puck. one does baby like? Hey, you. Can you pick one? Can Koopy pick a bronzer? Cooper, pick a bronzer.
He still bit me. He's over there playing, but he still bit me. So maybe I'll get this makeup look started and then I'll see if he wants to come to me. So the first thing he chose was the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue. I don't normally use this as a primer. I use it obviously as a primer. I usually use it as a moisturizer, but sometimes I use moisturizers as primer, so it's not that big of a deal. And if you noticed, I had to put on my cat ears. So I tried to get him on my phone picking the different makeup products, but yeah, he was not all about it. So some of them he did end up choosing, but he chose the products off camera while I was like just done filming, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna be done with you for a little bit, maybe this isn't gonna work. And then he would pick one. So yeah, he picked things that were round and that rolled. That was pretty much his only consistency in products. He didn't really care about packaging, he didn't care about color. It was just if it rolled. So we're going to be starting with the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. Love this. I just spritzed a little bit of Mario Badescu on my makeup brush. I'm just going to pump it right on here. Too close to start. But and then I'm going in with my Eco Tools sponge here just to blend it all. Next, he chose the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer, and this is an anti-cernus cream. Oh god, no, sorry. That was in Spanish saying that the Lock-It Concealer cream. This is in the shade L1 Neutral. This isn't my favorite concealer, but I don't hate it. It's just really, like, in my opinion, not great for us oily gals. I feel like it's really, really heavy. It feels like a paint. So there were a couple things in my makeup routine that I didn't have him pick, like a setting powder and eyebrow products, also an eye primer, because I kind of use the same ones every day, so I didn't really want him to pick, so it didn't really matter. So I'm going to put on my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. I'm also using my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Next he picked the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I love this, so I was really happy when I saw he picked this. Bronzer was one that he didn't really know which one he wanted because a lot of the packaging wasn't round. He picked all the round things, so like highlighter, blush, like they had even primer and foundation and concealer, they're all kind of round and rolled around, and he liked that. But the bronzers, this was the only one that rolled around, so that's why he picked this one. Next he picked the Tarte blush in Feisty, which is one I love, so I was really happy he picked this. He immediately loved this one. Next, I'm going to do my brows off camera with the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Chocolate, just because he didn't pick this. This is just how I do my brows. So I'll be right back. Never even. So Cooper chose the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and oh my god. Cooper chose the Jaclyn Hill by Morphe palette, and this is one of my favorites. And I'm going to do a look inspired by him with some more like orangey coppery bronze shades because he's a ginger. I'm going to start off in the shade right here, just as a nice light transition. Also mixed a little bit with this. Next, I'll be taking this Morphe Y15 brush and tapping into this shade right here. Next, I will be going into this shade right here, this brownish red. And then I'll be taking this yellow shade right here and really focusing that more toward the inner corner. Then I'm going to be taking this shade right here and putting that on the center of the lid. And then taking a bit of this gold shade and moving that a little bit more towards the inner corner. And then I will be taking this brush and taking a little bit of this color on the bottom lash. And then taking a little bit of this highlighter shade right here. And what would this look be without a wing cat eye? I'll be taking the NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black. Now I'm going to pop on a pair of lashes and I'll be right back. And those are my lashes. Baby decided he was ready to make an appearance. Goopy decided he was ready for his big debut. Look, he matches my eyeshadow perfectly. He actually is recovering. He has been really sick. We thought he had cancer. Took him to the vet. He hadn't eaten in like a week. Thought he was gonna die, you know, it was really sad. And he just all of a sudden started eating again. Brought him to the vet and nothing was wrong with him. So we're not really sure it was like a really freak thing, but we're just happy with every day we have with him right now because he's not old by any means, but we're not 100% sure how old he is because he's a shelter cat. Oh my god, he's attacking me. That's exactly what I mean. He's nice, he wants pet, and then all of a sudden... But thank goodness this video is almost over. Now, lipstick I could not get him to sit to video for, but he did end up picking this Lip Sense gloss, which I do enjoy. I don't like Lip Sense, but I like their gloss. I almost forgot he did pick out a highlighter. He picked the Ulta Beauty Duochrome Illuminator, and it was hilarious because he actually, we were doing this kind of by my door in my bedroom, and he actually batted this one out of the room into the hallway, like under the door. Pretty. So he really liked this one. This was probably his favorite item he chose. But yeah, guys, this was my full face using products my cat picks out. This was such a fun challenge, even though I had a grumpy little guy helping me out. I hope you guys do this. Please tag me if you do this challenge. I think it'd be hilarious. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you can watch all my videos and turn the notification bell on so that you are alerted whenever I post a new video like this one. And yeah, guys, just I hope you like this video and comment down below videos you'd like to see in the future, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.